Item number 3 is to consider approving an agreement between Mesa County and SGM Incorporated in the amount of $388,185 for the design of the Coffman Road Phase II project. Laura.
I'm the Engineering Director, Laura Page. We had previously done a conceptual design of the whole Coffman Road corridor, designed and completed the first phase of that corridor last year, this year with the construction. And now we are looking at designing the second phase, which would be that area from Highway 141 and through north through the current Whitewater community, addressing that area where new development has come in. That area also includes a minor structure that needs to be replaced. So we're going to be doing that in addition to designing the rehabilitation of the roadway and improving some drainage features.
Has Clifton finished their water line upgrade down Coffman? I think they're not in the road, right? Or they're not in the actual road.
Not in the actual road, and I believe they are tied in at first, from my understanding, or will be closely.
Okay, good deal. Questions, commissioners?
No.
Amen.
Okay, thank you. Any public comment on this item? All right, seeing none, bring it back to the board and entertain a motion to approve item number 3 as entered into the record.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Motion carries 3-0.